A very good morning to Dr. Vandana. We are the Chainnistry Group, and today we will be presenting our video presentation for the logistics company that we visited in collaboration with Flowpoint, Nexus, and SupplySphere, Map Logistics, and CDM PhD. So as you can see, this is our Chainnistry Group members: Vanessa Chuma, Natala Amisha, me, Rachel Ho, Firdaus Disha, as well as Amira Fatia. So for our video presentation content, we'll be going through introduction, finding and analysis, conclusion, and recommendations, as well as pictures of the industrial visit. So, for a brief introduction, Map Logistics is a well-established third-party logistics provider in Sarawak, trusted by major brands such as Huawei, Yusha, Guardian, and Skintific, to name a few. Established in 2008 by Mr. Ma Tek Singh, the company has since grown steadily from its initial 12 employees to now over 90 employees, with it having secured over 30 permanent clients, with it having 380 completed projects to date. Its mission is simple: to provide innovative and reliable logistics services that aim to optimize supply chain, reduce costs, as well as enhance efficiency for its customers. So this is a picture we took at the site, and this is a picture we took with Mr. Ruben. So we conducted our industrial visit and interview with Mr. Ruben on the 20th of May, 2026, and our interviewee was Mr. Ruben Ma, the operational and technical manager of Map Logistics, also the son of the founder, Mr. Ma Tek Singh. The purpose of the visit was to gain insight into logistics and supply chain operations, and we gained a lot, as we had a warehouse tour, as well as even a man-handling equipment demonstration from Mr. Ruben. That is all from me. Thank you.
Good morning to the Fadila. My name is Natalia Amisha. For the finding and analysis part, our group identified 14 logistic activity. However, I only will present about 5 out of 14 activity, which is transportation, warehousing, packaging, material handling, and inventory control. Based on our finding, Map Logistics use truck, forklift, stacker, and reach truck to move goods inside the warehouse and deliver them to customers. For the transportation, around 40 trucks operate in Sarawak and Kota Kinabalu, but however, the company faces issues such as long-distance traffic, road condition, and truck availability. This may cause delivery delays and increase the cost. For warehousing, the company stores and organizes goods before delivery. Packaging is also important because it protects goods from the damage during handling and transportation. Material handling helps workers move goods faster and safer use appropriate equipment. Lastly, inventory control focuses on monitoring income and outgoing stock. Overall, these 5 activities are effective, but Map Logistics can improve by using better road planning, truck schedule, and digital inventory tracking. And now I will pass to the next person.
Next, for order fulfillment, the process starts when the customer's orders are received, then the goods are handled in the warehouse, arranged for delivery, and finally sent to customers such as supermarket, retailers, and e-commerce businesses. For example, when many orders come in during peak season like Hari Raya or 7/7 sales, the company may face limited transportation and longer delivery routes, especially from Kuching to Miri, which slows down the delivery. Next is demand forecasting. The company does not use a fixed forecasting system. Instead, they rely on past experience and seasonal trends. For example, during festive season or when e-commerce sales increase, the company prepares extra warehouse space and manpower. This helps them stay ready even if the demand suddenly rises, but it also means long-term planning is less accurate. For production planning, the company focuses on preparing manpower, warehouse space, and equipment. For example, they will inform workers early before peak periods like Kawai Festival and even prepare equipment like forklift battery water in advance to avoid delays. This keeps operation running smoothly, although it still depends heavily on manual planning and worker availability. Then, in procurement, the company ensures all operational materials are ready before they are needed. For example, they purchase maintenance supplies early to support warehouse operations. This helps avoid disruption, but if demand is overestimated, it may lead to extra storage costs and unused stock. Lastly, for customer service, the company focuses on clear communication. For example, if the goods arrive damaged, they immediately inform the customer and provide pictures as evidence. This builds trust and improves relationship, but the system is still very manual, which may become inefficient as the company grows.
So this is the final part of our finding analysis. So firstly, we have is the facility location. So MAPS is strategically situated 1 kilometer away from Kuching Seaport which prioritizes maritime dredge efficiency and lower inbound cost. However, its distance from the city center may increase outbound delivery times. To manage it, the firm utilizes an overflow warehouse for greater operational flexibility. And then next we have is the return goods handling. So MAPS acts as a centralized hub for over 70 regional Guardian stores. While this hub and spoke model improves administration efficiency, it may also create operational bottlenecks if return volume surge significantly during peak sales period. So thirdly, we have is the parts and service support. So using an observe while using protocol, operators monitor equipment for unusual vibration or sounds. So whenever they feel like there's something wrong with the equipment, they will report it. And then finally, we have is the salvage and scrap disposal. So MAPS often recommends local disposal to avoid 12,000 ringgit of shipping waste back to West Malaysia. So the financial optimization is a key value that adds for clients but requires strict adherence to regulatory standards to mitigate environmental risks. So that is all from my part. Thank you.
To conclude, our industrial visit showed that MAPS Logistics has strong capabilities in warehouse operations, inventory management, transportation, and also customer service. However, there are several areas that can be improved to support their long-term growth and competitiveness. First and foremost, MAPS Logistics should enhance their digital integration by implementing a centralized warehouse management system, or WMS. During the visit, we observed that the company sometimes relies too much on customer systems and Microsoft Excel for inventory management. We believe that centralized system will improve real-time visibility, inventory accuracy, and operational efficiency. And besides that, we think that the company should improve demand forecasting and capacity planning. MAPS Logistics can better predict storage and transportation needs by analyzing historical order data and seasonal trends. This helps optimize warehouse space, manpower allocation, and resource utilization. On top of that, MAPS Logistics should strengthen supplier and customer relationships through real-time tracking systems, regular performance reviews, and long-term partnerships. I believe these initiatives can better improve communication, service reliability, and customer satisfaction. Finally, the company should consider warehouse expansion and continue their sustainability initiatives to support future business growth while maintaining operational efficiency. We believe all these recommendations can help MAPS Logistics improve their efficiency, strengthen their stakeholder relationships, and also remaining competitive in the logistics industry.